Hey guys, I just got a Bronco and I like that turbo swoosh sound, and I don't want to pay big money for that that boomba or that turbo sound or whatever it's called. You go to Home Depot and you buy this 1-inch rubber leg tips for your furniture, and I'll show you what you do. And you get a loud sound from it too. Save some money. Pull this off. It's on the passenger side. This is the blow off here. Pull this off. Do it with one hand. All right. And you grab your rubber tip and just plug this up right here. Plug it up. And voila, you get that swooshing sound. Save yourself a lot of money. All right, let's see how loud it is when you rev it on neutral. Much louder. All right, let's try it with the windows up and see how loud the blow-off valves are. Oh yeah, sounds good. Yes, sir. All right, we're gonna try this now driving. Significantly louder. Let's try it one more time. Oh yeah.